Hi everybody, how are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I hope you are having a blessed day. Alright, so today it's gonna be a really quick video. I'm gonna be showing you how to make or how I make ginger garlic paste. You know, ginger garlic paste is a staple in Indian cooking. You know, everything they cook, they add ginger, they add garlic, they add curry. That's why they have that distinctive taste to all their meals. And I love cooking with ginger and garlic too. So this method makes your cooking faster. It's convenient, you know, reduces your cooking time. Why? Because already the ginger and the garlic is already blended. Okay, so now this is ginger and garlic. This garlic is like this because it came out of the freezer. It's quite fresh, so I decided to store it in the freezer. So like I said, you know, it's very convenient, but there is something you have to know. Over time, the ginger garlic paste normally changes color and turns greenish, so it's not, and that makes it not desirable at all. So to avoid that, I'm gonna add few natural ingredients which will make the ginger garlic paste last longer and keep fresh. Those ingredients are 2 tablespoons of turmeric. This is pink Himalayan salt. Make sure that's what you're using. I'm gonna be having 2 tablespoons of that. I already grinded 1 tablespoon out already, and 2 tablespoons of oil. This is gonna make it stay fresh and long for up to at least 6 months in your fridge. Every time you bring it out, it's really gonna be fresh. You understand? So let's go into doing this. Turmeric, somebody might ask why. Turmeric is antibacterial and antifungal and antiviral. It makes it a perfect addition to the paste in order to preserve it. And of course, we know salt is a natural preservative. So therefore, adding salt, you make sure when you're cooking, you adjust your seasoning. Remember, you already have salt in your ginger garlic paste. And like I said, this pink Himalayan salt will give you maximum benefit if you use that particular one. But if you don't have it, you could go ahead and use any other salt. And oil is also a natural preservative, and just few tablespoons is just enough for what we want to do. So this is the ingredients that we need: the ginger, the garlic, the oil, turmeric, and the salt. All right, so let's go into making this paste. So I'm using my NutriBullet. If you're using, you could use food processor for it. I already peeled and cut the ginger, and of course, like I said, the garlic is fresh. So I'm gonna be blending this. We're not adding water. Remember, it's a paste. And your ginger and garlic, make it like a 1.5 cup of each. Let them be on the same measurement. So now you give it a shake, but if you're using a food processor, you know that's very big. It's bigger than this. You don't need to shake. Just use your spatula and get the ones. You really need a strong blender for this, because you know garlic is hard. So right now I'm going to put in the oil and the turmeric, which I already measured out. I'm going to try to give it a stir to help it. And of course, the pink Himalayan salt. Don't worry about the color. Turmeric is very good for inflammation. I add this. Let me tell you one of my secrets, guys. I add this to my green tea. and it helps me lose weight, and it helps me have a good digestive system. Look at that beautiful color. Wow, nice. So just give it a shake. I want to make sure everything is well incorporated. And that's it. You're just going to scoop it out and store it in your bottle or your tight container that you have. It's inside. It's gonna be here. If it lasts up to 6 months, because I use it a lot, I might even finish before 4 months. So guys, here we are. Our ginger garlic paste, simply made at home with just ginger and garlic and some natural preservative. Go ahead and give this a try. You will see how convenient it is. Thank you for joining me, guys. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Ogonwadi, on my Facebook page at Ogonwadi. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're here for the first time, I welcome you. Please feel free to be part of my family. Click on that subscribe button. Tap on the notification bell so you get notified anytime that I upload any video. Alright guys, it's bye. Stay safe and stay blessed. Keep cooking. Bye bye.